Connecting nature to literature. Dream of the Red Chamber is a Chinese novel composed by Cao Shuiqin in the mid-18th century, one of the great classical novels of Chinese literature. It is known for its psychological scope and its observation of the worldview, aesthetics, lifestyles, and social relations of 18th century China. As the carefree adolescent, male heir of the family, Bao Yu in this life has a special bond with his sickly cousin Lin Daiyu, who shares his love of music and poetry. Bao Yu, however, is predestined to marry Shui Baochai, whose grace and intelligence exemplify an ideal woman, but with whom he lacks an emotional connection, their romantic rivalry, and friendship among the three characters against of the family's declining fortunes form the central story.